service, customer service, and tech socialization. Okay, good job. The next question. Tell me what you know about this company. This company is a private company dealing in the construction of infrastructure and national scale buildings in Indonesia, which was established in 1009 and 1009. It and is headquartered in Bandung, West Java. It has various employees such as Bandung on the of us alcohol and drugs and anti-corruption declaration. I believe that working here will give me the opportunity to develop my skill and execute my career goal. Okay. How do you think this company support your career development? I got graduation and took a job where I went in the company culture that support employee career development can create a more conducive environment for learning and growth. Companies also provide new talents and opportunities to employees can get all of their competence and develop skills. Okay, the last question. What are your career goals in the next 5 years? One of my most important career aspiration is to take on mentoring role within the organization. Throughout my career, I have been